on, guys. Got it put back together. Put some power steering fluid in it. Some freshly batteries.
Mildly very used batteries.
Got the bumper hanging on there by a finger. And let's see if she starts. Here.
Think it will?
Probably not. I think it sees after one day.
Seas. That's terrible. It's got about zero fuel in it because we got to fix the sump on the air dog. But not very good.
Drives just not very good. Smokes a lot. Got a fuel issue somewhere. And our air dog, we have to fix our sump. So we got to put some more diesel in it and maybe some injector cleaner and see if it cleans out. It's got a coolant leak. It's a bad girl. Got to fix that.
I know you're depressed, but you gotta talk up a little so they can hear.
They can hear fine. I don't know what else is wrong with it. I guess we'll figure it out as it goes.
Yeah, maybe head gaskets. Maybe.
Oh yeah, the coolant might be pressurized, so might have a bad head. But this is just a Band-Aid motor, so as long as
I don't think it's got bad head gaskets.
Starts and rides. We'll find out, won't we?
It starts up pretty good.
Starts, it just smokes and cuts power in the middle.
Like if you do a full pull on it, you'll put the foot to the floor and it'll take off, and then like it'll get up in the RPMs and it'll just kind of fall flat on its face and then pick up again.
Yeah, they saw.
Oh yeah, I forget.
No, we're good. Yeah, so I gotta fix the coolant leak, fix the sump, and we'll go from there. Guess $900 and you get a whole truck and the motor comes with it.
That's what you get.
That's what we get from Mr. I shouldn't say his name, but it's hilarious.
Barry.
No, that's not his name. It's Johnson. Okay, bye. Another day trying to fix this freaking Turdbox. Flip you around. I know I won't. Anyways, got a coolant leak down this pipe that's on. This hard line. So swap that out. It's like cutting out when we're driving it a little bit. So I was gonna swap the fuel filter, but I'm just gonna delete it. Seems easier. Those things cause more problems than they do because I got a lift pump on it. What else? Coolant, fuel filter, and then we'll figure out what we're doing with the exhaust today. So get that far, and then keep chasing problems and troubleshooting it. See if we can make this thing run with this piece of turd motor in it. So let's get to it.
I think we're having some fueling issues with it, so we're just gonna do the redneck delete on it and just get some of these and just cook them in, and then it'll just flow straight through those instead of going through the fuel filter head. We'll stop having to deal with issues with that thing. So we have an air dog on the truck, so no need for it.
Yeah, not a big deal. These things cause way more problems than they do good. So got a lift pump, and then we'll go from there. I think. We'll see if that fixes the fueling issue. So we're just gonna run what do you call those things?
Sprinklers?
No, I ain't gonna run sprinklers. What do they call barbs? I'm gonna barb it, and then just
good old 90-degree hose barb fittings in if we can get it. Got the wrong size. Oh.
Got it done. Got it put back together. Battery connected. See if it works or not. Oh, I got a lot of air.
There's a ton of there. Okay, I think it's
close enough.
Might take a minute to go now.
It's just starting to run pretty good. So now we're going to throw some exhaust
5-inch straight pipe on
5-inch straight pipe all the way back from the toe ski besides the down pipe. Yep, so we're going to cut off the old exhaust. We don't have it connected, so we can't do a sound test, but we're going to cut off the old stuff, throw new stuff on, see how she sounds. That's all it is. Right?
Yep.
Let's get to it.
Bing bong.
Get the old exhaust off.
People are going to yell at me for having glasses on.
Good too. Put the fucking metal shavings in your eye.
Easy, dog. They keep trying to kill me. Junk, dude. First piece is on. Kind of clamped. Now we're trying to figure out the Lego set to get the rest on. Yeah.
I think I got it.
Yeah.
I think this might just be our second piece. I'm thinking.
Let's find out.
But I'm not sure because we don't have either of the extension pieces in it.
Uh-oh.
We'll see. I really want to hear it.
Got her on, dude. All the way up. The last hanger. We gotta order some hangers. See, she's zip tied there. Finance. Pretty good. That's pretty good on there.
Yeah.
But here, hold this. I'll start it. See how she sounds.
She better sound good. Watch it have a major exhaust leak.
First drip with the exhaust on it. Hopefully it runs a little better. You watch the hood. Did you find?
Find out. That's fall off. Damn, that
It's
sucks.
like it's shifty. I just need like a tune.
Weird.
Well, drove it down the street and now I think injector's hung open or that bummer, dude. Just smoking out the whole neighborhood. Oh my gosh.
Why?
No, I just dumped black. There's some issue. There's something wrong.
Yeah.
There's something very wrong.
Barely put this truck together. Somehow I did it wrong.
Like now it's just dumping white, and then that was straight like
Black.
truck pull black. Oh my gosh. Fan it. That's so much smoke, it's unbelievable.
White or black?
It's like black with a little tint. Huh? Just hot.
I don't know if it's the diesel light. This motor's just coated in grease, and every time it gets warm, it just does this.
That's a good sign.
Definitely under pressure, but
Yeah, it's not. Dude, this motor, we're not having this motor staying here for very long.
Yeah, it's like a balloon.
So we assume the truck might have had bad injectors. We don't really know. We got all put the exhaust on and everything. Took it for a drive. It's smoking really weird. It's smoking heavily black and then a little white.
And then when you're
just parked, it's smoking white once it's warmed
it's
up. But
dumping
none at
white.
Cold start.
Yeah.
And then when you get on it, it's like the thickest black smoke you've ever seen. Like we've had our fair share of dirty tuned trucks, and this looks insane. So I'm not sure.
It's retarded.
Yeah. Not sure what it is. We'll get it figured out. Maybe air filter just completely plugged. You leave a rag in the motor?
Maybe.
We'll
I don't know. But we still haven't checked the codes. And this is probably we should do that, but
Can't find the freaking code reader.
yeah, I gotta find that. But besides that, it's running better than it had a misfire. It's actually running. It feels like it has power for an LD7.
Like we said, this is just a temporary get us through winter. I know you guys probably.
I'm starting to think
insane.
I'm starting to think I'm pretty dumb.
But we're just getting this thing through winter, and then in the summertime we'll have its motor built and drop it in. So
Yeah, well, hopefully I think that'll be the video. That's kind of like a vlog type video for today, but
yeah, done for today, and we'll probably
we'll see
find ourselves working on it
we'll see
tomorrow.
if this is the end of the video. See you later. If not, we'll see you in a couple seconds.